Hi everyone, I'm very thrilled to be invited to be a guest designer for Scrap Diva Designs for September Halloween release. This video is the unboxing of the package I received from Erica. Thank you, Erica, for sending me these dies. I'm looking forward to creating some fun Halloween projects to share with all of you. You can find these dies at scrapdivadesigns.com. Let's dive right into this. Wow, this is a pumpkin mini album. It has a super cute face with some layering, stitched borders. In the back, it also has a different shape. You can layer this, and it has the leaves that you could put on the stems, and also little pumpkins and spiders. This could also be layered, and it's really great looking. This is a super cool spider bow set. It has a small and a large size bow, and it looks like it's 2 layers, and also it's really neat that it has a web on the side. It's very detailed looking. Next we have poison bottle shakers, a small and a large size. It's wonderful. It has a poison tag you could hang off of the bottles. The shakers are really has a lot of space in the middle where you could put a lot of sequins and different mixes of sequins inside. The cork has a lot of little details here too. It's very realistic, and some skull bones that you could add to the poison bottle for more details. This is super adorable looking skull mini album, and I'm thinking of using this as some kind of interactive movement for the bones. Maybe put some brads here so the bones can kind of move. It's really neat kind of looking mini album. Next we have this candy corn Memorydex card. I love making Memorydex cards, and this one looks super adorable. It has eyelash eyes with some little details here, spider, candy, little candy corns, hearts, jelly bean, very cute. Next we have this candy corn mini album, and they have included sweet, candy, and treat, with also some more little embellishments that you could add on to it, and it's great for making a shaker. Looks like you could make a shaker cover. It's really neat. Next we have the skull bag topper. I think this is so cool. I love the heart eyes with the little eyelashes and the heart nose, and also the skull bones on the side that can peek out, and also the bows here. It looks like you could layer it, and it just is so amazing, this bag topper. It's really great for putting your treats or embellishments to add on top of your bag. Next we have this Halloween words #1, and it says here broom, spider, carving, crow, vampire fangs. And then we have Halloween words #2. This says spell, scream. What else do we have? Scary, horror, midnight hour. Now we have Halloween words #3, and we have full moon. What else? Potions, cursed, shadows, Dracula, zombies. And this ghost tag, it's great for 3D projects. You can hang on to them, or you could put it on cards. And these words says treat, eek, boo, trick, candy, scary. These are extras that Erica has kindly given to me. It's really nice of her. It's a 3D mailbox, and it's from a previous release. It's great for year-round, Valentine's, Christmas, Halloween. It includes the word post. It's really amazing. This die set has this borders that you can put on top. It's laced and it's super cute. Here's the slot for it. It's I can't wait to use these. Here's a circular Memorydex card, and it's really great for shaker too. And it looks like this is a magic hat, so it's really great for Halloween, or you could use it for other themes as well. And lastly, this heart rosette number 2. It comes in 2 different styles, and you could also make them into different sizes. It's really nice. I'm so excited to work on these, and can't wait to show you all. That's about it. Thank you. Toodaloo.